Damir Mijic or Felix, you've been in Akureyri 1 month.
Yeah.
Your first reaction to Iceland and to basketball in Iceland and Thor?
Well, my first opinion when I landed in Reykjavik is it was really wow. I was stunned with the nature. It was more beautiful than I saw in the pictures. As for basketball, it's kind of I cannot really compare it to Croatian because here we play more on strength. It's more difficult to play. There are only two referees. They cannot see everything, so we need to be more physical. So it's kind of hard to compare, but similar to Croatia, yeah.
You had a really good game tonight, 29 points and 12 rebounds. Your thoughts about the game?
I think I actually don't know about the stats, but I like to praise the whole team and the coach. I think we had a great game, not especially the first half. I mean, the offense was really good, but defense was kind of bad. We were not boxing out, so they have a lot of rebounds. So we played first half a bit too slow, but we talked to each other. Coach told us you need to speed up, so we did it and started to pass the ball. So it's a great team victory.
Can you tell me about your goals for the season?
Goals for the season, to be first, of course. That's it.
Thank you.
Thank you.